Hi, so my name is Stephanie Para, and I am the director here for the CUNY EDGE program at Lehman College. We are the CUNY EDGE program. We service students who have an active public assistance case receiving cash assistance. And we're here to support our students and provide MetroCard fare, childcare services, as well as academic advisement, career advisement, and a lot more other workshops to help the students develop during their academic journey. We really believe that students should come and take advantage of the resources that we provide here at the program because we take a big part into retaining the students. So we provide services, for instance, for parents who need childcare to be able to come to school. We provide some type of financial services for students to stay in class, as well as if students that are struggling trying to get to school because they don't have MetroCard funding or because they don't have money for gas. We don't only provide a MetroCard, we provide car fare. So you can use that money to put gas in your car or to take the train. In whatever means you have to get to school, we can help you with that. As well as we provide a variety of workshops to help you academically, how to avoid burnout or how to do a resume. So on top of all the resources that we offer for you to come to school and be able to go to class, we also try to develop you as a student and also in your career path. The CUNY EDGE program is located in the old gym, room 118. We do have an elevator in the building, so if you have any disability, you're able to come in through the basement, and we have an elevator key if you need to come upstairs. We are open Monday through Friday, 9 to 5. We're available in person and virtually. You can set up an appointment through Navigate. You can also just call the office and make an appointment, or come in and make an appointment, or if we have availability, we'll see you right there when you come into the office. We try to provide various ways for you to make appointments, so you're not limited.